The Vivo sub-brand iQOO has launched its new smartphone in China called iQOO 13, with customizable energy halo LED light on the rear panel. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The iQOO 13 features a tall 6.82-inch 2K resolution 8T LTPO 2.0 OLED display, with up to 144Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the iQOO 13 sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, plus 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.0 aperture, and there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom plus OIS support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,150 mAh battery, with 120 watts ultra-fast charging support, and it runs on latest Android 15 out of the box, with Origin OS 5 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.37 by 76.71 by 8.13 millimeters, and it weighs around 213 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The iQOO 13 has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Legendary Edition, Track Edition, Nardo Gray, and Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this iQOO 13 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.